Are we ready?
I'm ready.
Hello everyone, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera as always is Jake. And that's where we're at, Fast Lane Classic Cars.
Heck yeah, St. Charles, Missouri, about 15 minutes outside St. Louis. If you want to give us a phone call, I'm going to put the phone number above Steele's head there. Call us, write it down, remember it. And then I'm also going to give you a quick reminder to like and subscribe. Because when you like and subscribe, it helps us help you, help us help you. And also when you subscribe, hit the bell, because then you get notified when we make videos and you don't have to go looking for them. They get put right in front of your face.
In your face. And right here in your face is this beautiful 1984 Jeep Scrambler. It's called a CJ8. Now, between the years of 81 and 86, they made about 27,000 of these bad boys. This is a beautifully restored one. 4.2 liter inline six, 5-speed. Obviously, it's got the 2 seats and the beautiful truck bed. This one, though, I mean, they really went above and beyond. Look at the liner. Ooh, it's like a rhino liner kind of situation.
Nice bed liner, and you got the roll bar back here too that's nicely painted.
With no KC lights, you can add those later.
Even the cab is rhino lined.
Love the way this looks. Look at the big tires. They did a very good job. Oh, look at the interior.
Very clean.
That's a very clean Jeep. Probably the cleanest this Jeep will ever be, because it's a Jeep and it's not going to stay clean, and it doesn't have to. And you can put stuff in the back.
Yeah, it's
and
for
you can drive it.
Look at the big chrome bumpers.
I love the big bumpers. I love the big lights here.
Tubular bumpers are cool. Yeah, you have some off-road lights here. The buttons are to the left of the steering wheel for those.
Oh, they are.
And you got the typical Jeep chrome hood latches that keep the hood pulled down, and the nice Scrambler script on the side.
Really,
this thing's really cool.
Yes, these are really good. Everything is done well in this little rebuild, restoration rather. So we should probably start it.
Let's do a startup.
Let's do a good old startup.
Okie dokie.
All right. Are you ready, Freddie?
Yeah, I am ready, Freddie. I'm gonna roll up my cranky window.
I'm gonna keep mine down if you don't care.
Yeah, go ahead. It's a little chilly today. First gear action. Yeah, look, 5-speed. And here's your gear selector for the 4-wheel drive. Down there, we got voltage meter, oil pressure, which is really good.
Oh yeah.
Down here, the big old speedo.
It's a huge speedo, you can't miss it.
No, and you got your coolant temp and your fuel gauge down here as well. And then you got all your, you know, temperature controls, air conditioning, wipers and stuff like that. All there on the dash. This thing's cool. Oh wow.
Well, we can run over bumps, can't we?
Yeah, we could run over a mountain if you wanted to.
Let's not do that.
It's pretty high off the ground. Good ground clearance.
A lot of clearance.
These seats are comfy.
I love it. I love brand new restored cars. It's a brand new used car, basically.
Sounds good too.
It does. Oh, boost nice.
Second gear. Heck yeah.
Nice.
Oh look, we have a cigarette lighter.
Stop.
In case you want to take up smoking. Don't smoke, kids.
I guess we just ash outside the window.
Yeah. Don't smoke. It's bad for you. Give us a headliner. Rhino lined.
Love it.
This thing's made for off-roading. Rough and ready.
Rough and ready.
I'd say. Here at the roundabout. You gotta love the roundabout.
We should just go right through the middle of it.
Yeah. You do have the little latches here. So fold the windshield down. I think they're hinged. So you can fold the windshield forward if you want.
We can take the old doors off, I bet.
Probably, yeah. There's no power windows or anything, so I don't see why you wouldn't be able to.
Love it.
No wires and stuff to get in the way.
Oh, and the mirrors are located, held on in the body, so yeah, we can take the doors off.
Oh yeah, the mirrors are not mounted on the door, so you still have them if you take the doors off. Cool.
Yep. They had aftermarket kits for that, though, that you can just put them right in those hinges.
Right.
That was neat.
Yeah, this thing's neat. We got a horn? Of course we do.
Nice.
Of course we do.
Oh, I really like this Jeep. Yeah, I think I will turn it up because little windy, a little chilly.
Yeah, it's 40-something degrees right now. Not terrible.
Another Jeep guy waved at us.
Oh, nice. We got to do the Jeep wave now.
Just like the Corvette wave.
Yeah, whenever we see Jeep people. It actually rides pretty good.
It does. It's
I thought
really
it'd be
nice.
way more bumpy and unbearable.
It's eating the bumps up. I think it's all new, that's why, you know?
Yeah. Seems really nice.
It is.
We got a center console here. With a lot of space for stuff and cup holders. Gotta love cup holders.
Oh, who doesn't love cup holders?
That looks like a little bit of a modern upgrade. The dash isn't cracked or anything. All the vinyl's really nice.
VIN number, very easy to find.
Yeah, VIN number right there on top of the dash. This thing is cool.
I like it a lot. I like Jeep, so I'm a big Jeep guy.
Oh, we got a defrogger down there.
A defrogger?
A defrogger.
Look out for the frogs.
Look out for the frogs. Well, you get rid of them with the defrogger, I guess.
Yes, you're darn right.
Oh, glove box with stickerage.
You know how much you love stickers.
Off-road parts in there. I do love stickers. Fourth gear action?
Fourth gear action.
I mean, it's really low in the RPMs. Fourth gear, about 40 miles an hour. So the 5-speed's really nice. I'm sure on the highway.
Oh, I bet.
You wouldn't be pulling too many RPMs. And the good old 4.2 liter inline 6 is a good torquey little engine.
It's a torquey little.
Good for crawling up rocks and, you know, driving over cliffs and mountains.
Well, that's not true.
Whatever Jeeps do. I don't know.
Jeeps do lots of cool stuff. They don't do stuff like Hondas, but it's okay. They're Jeeps. It's a different deal. Aren't you supposed to put ducks on the dashboard on Jeeps now?
I think you leave a duck on a fellow Jeep driver's door handle to say, "Hey, fellow Jeepster," and then that's how you accumulate the ducks. My girlfriend told me that.
Well, that's new.
Yeah.
That's a little
So I
strange.
think you leave the rubber ducks on other people's Jeeps, and that's how you accumulate your rubber ducks. People leaving them on your Jeep. So
I had no idea.
if you buy this Jeep, you could start collecting ducks. It's a very flat dashboard. You got a lot of real estate up there.
Lots of real estate.
Oh, we're here almost at our flyby spot.
Flyby.
Flyby spot.
Not drive-by.
Not drive-by,
That's a
flyby.
totally different thing.
All right, you ready to do some flybys in a Jeep Scrambler?
You know what I really like? The fact that people are here at the field in a nice sunny day.
Yeah,
I love that.
there's more people here today. Nice.
It is. All right,
All right.
I'm rolling the window down now.
Alrighty.
We had one of those rubber ducks because look, there's another Jeep guy up there.
Nice.
There's Jeep guys everywhere. This is a fun Jeep. I like it a lot. I have never driven a Scrambler, so another one checked off the list of stuff I haven't driven
You
before.
ready to go back?
I am. Let's go.